goes well for us, hopefully.
It's video you see only on ABC 15. You're looking at members of Travis Alexander's family leaving court today. Inside, their loved one's killer, Jodi Arias, looking to overturn her murder conviction. So what happened in court today and what's next in this process? Here's ABC 15's Mike Pelton.
In a calmer courtroom than the trial itself, a panel of 3 judges with the Arizona Court of Appeals first hearing from Jodi Arias' attorney, who claims she did not get a fair trial.
The prosecutor in this case engaged in pronounced and persistent misconduct which permeated all stages of the trial.
Attorney Corey Engel claims prosecutor Juan Martinez helped create a media circus, took pictures with fans, and routinely inferred defense experts had a relationship with Arias.
I don't see it that way.
Right, you wouldn't see that way because you have feelings for the defendant, right?
I beg your pardon, sir.
The 3 judges asking tough questions.
We have a whole line of case law that says if there's overwhelming evidence of guilt, we are not to overturn a conviction based on the conduct of the state.
On the other side, the state of Arizona.
There is the overwhelming evidence of guilt. I don't think we can look past the fact that the evidence of guilt is very strong in this case.
The state argues Arias did get a fair trial, and any missteps by prosecutor Juan Martinez didn't impact the jury. But presiding judge Jennifer Campbell pressing on this point.
I'm going to pin you down on this. You agree that improper conduct was engaged in on the part of the prosecutor in this case?
There are some instances, yes. Not as many as the defense argues, and none that resulted in jury prejudice.
Each side with 30 minutes to argue. Whether Jodi Arias will have her conviction overturned, a decision these 3 will make, but unclear when. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.
So outside the courthouse, it was quiet compared to the trial back in 2008. Far less media and spectators here today. Back then, the Arias trial was making international headlines, making for what is now referred to as a media circus. Only a couple Arias followers showed up today, one who was there from the beginning.
I invested 3 years of my life, and if it's not over, I'm not over. I'm still here.
Prosecutor Juan Martinez became more of a household name back then, as you heard in Mike's story, even stopping to sign autographs and take pictures outside the courthouse, something that's now being blasted by Arias' attorneys.